Wait. Can we kidnap side? Wait. Come back. Yeah, wait. SK, they kidnapping, okay? SK, they kidnapping you, okay? Careful. Come inside. Come. Tell me if they're tank stepping up. If we can kidnap. Kidnap the ZZRL, oh. That's also a dumb Pinoy dog. Careful over the wall, Brim can engage. Careful over the wall, listen, careful over the wall, Brim can engage, okay? Come inside, pull them.
Yo, pull them, tank, pull them.
Come back.
Oh, Iska is on here. Mugi.
Yeah, I see. SK is gonna engage over the wall. Come back.
But marking
Careful.
through.
Listen. They're just waiting for fucking tanks, for fucking Brim to hit big over the wall, okay? So careful. Marliga, get ready. West side, wait. Look at by the wall southwest. Okay? We're gonna listen. After we engage, we pull on the east side gate. Okay. Some people can sped to Lord Room. Okay. Get ready. Brim.
Outside.
Malika, get ready. Step up. Look at shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Depth. Heal. Yo, see. Ready. Depth inside. They missed this. Walk in. CC. Walk in. Give me 10 seconds. CC. Brim will get engaged. Okay. Careful. Malika, wait. Malika, look at inside, south side. Look at on me. Wait. South side, southeast side, east side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side. Headbutt. Headbutt and heal. Careful. Ready, def. Malika, you can click gate. Okay? Okay, left only. Brim, okay? Wait. Yo, CC the people inside. Yo, we kill inside, okay? Look at shallow. Kidnap the shallow. Look at southwest shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest shallow on me. Nice one. Now come back. CC. Dep. Nice one, boys. Now heal. Walk. Eska, they don't have engage, okay? Dep. Heal up. Look at shallow, okay? Get ready. Look at me. Come walk. Walk shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me. Nice one, boys. Come back in heal. Come back in heal. He looking for engage. Heal up. Walk in now. Eska, no engage. They have engage still. Eska, they still have engage, okay? Def inside. Walk in heal. Ready? CC. Malika, ready, potion. Malika, walk out. Step out. Potion, walk out. Deep. 5, 4, 3. What's up there? Nice one, boys. Heal up. They have engaged. They're gonna turn. Ready, def. Wait. Come out now. They're gonna turn on the choke. Ready, def on choke. Def. Walk out. Look at west side, guys. West side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side on me now. More damage. Okay, now come back. Okay. Heal up. They're gonna turn on the choke. Listen, they're gonna turn on the choke. Heal up. They're gonna turn on the choke. Ready, def. Careful. Ready, def. Okay. CC their front line. Kill everything inside. Malika, def inside. Malika, look at shallow on me. South side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me south side. Okay, now come back and heal up. Okay? Heal up. Come back inside, okay? We're good. Come back inside, okay?
It's a one
Careful
frame.
inside. Why am I stuck here? Okay, come
They're
back inside.
walking.
Yeah. Come inside. I need to turn on aircon. Wait. Come inside first. It's so fucking hot.
If someone's stream. Bugi, di makabalik yung mga ibang regear mo. Marami na kami, 15 yung gankers dito.
How big are they?
15 people ganking.
They 22 this real if comes at us. Careful of Brim. Stop looting. Careful of Brim, man. Hello.
Olpa is stacking. Shaper stacking.
All pa stacking. Shaper stacking.
It's
Careful
coming
over the
from
wall.
west.
All pa engaging.
Step back coming. Careful.
Balik ka, shallow
Ano,
tank, you wait. Shallow tank, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow tank. Oh my god, I got healing hood, man. Come back.
Careful, Brim.
Yeah,
Careful.
he's solo. They look to
SK, come east. SK, come east. Everyone. Battle mods. Get out. Battle mods, get out. Mata. Battle mods, get out.
You too low. Mugi, they have ganker on you. So Thai ganking you here. But
We get out. Run. Battle mods, you can go to Ava Road. North side. Ava Road. Everybody, get out. We done. We win already. Leave.
You won the moment we got the gold castle opened.